Now, let's talk about the technology side of this. This is where beyond the feature lives, right? And this is where I think there's a lot of significant opportunity for most organizations they're currently missing. The tools in your Microsoft 365 environment weren't all designed specifically for smart goal management, but together they form a surprisingly complete infrastructure for every stage of the goal lifecycle: creation, alignment, communication, tracking, measurement, storytelling. Each one of those stages has tools that are probably already in your subscription right now, today, that could be doing far more work than they are. And there's a piece of the Microsoft ecosystem that was specifically built for goal and OKR management. And it has a story that I think is worth telling because it illustrates something important about how you navigate a changing technology landscape. But I'll get to that in a minute. So let's walk through the goal lifecycle and map it to the tools that serve it best. The first stage is creation, actually writing the goal. And this is where AI is starting to make a meaningful difference for people who've always found it hard to translate a vague intention into a well-formed SMART goal. Microsoft Copilot, which is available in Word, Teams, Outlook, in a 365 subscription, right, can help you draft and refine those goals in plain language. You can describe what you're trying to accomplish in conversational terms and ask Copilot to help you structure it as a SMART goal. You can share an existing goal and ask it to identify which elements are missing or underdeveloped. And you can use it to check whether a goal is specific enough, whether the measurement mechanism is clearly defined, whether the time boundary is realistic given the scope of what's being attempted. That kind of real-time thought partnership in the drafting stage is something that used to require a skilled manager or a coach, a consultant. Now it's available to anyone with a Copilot license. OneNote, that's another underused tool for the early stage of goal creation, especially for individual goal development. Its free-form capture makes it a good place to brainstorm before you formalize, jotting down intentions, connecting them to priorities, sketching out what that measurement would look like before the goal is fully formed. The process of thinking through a goal before writing it formally is where a lot of the quality actually gets built. OneNote gives that process a home. For team-level goal alignment, SharePoint is where those connections get made visible. A well-designed SharePoint page that publishes the team's or the department's goals, where it's organized by quarter or by strategic priority, it's clearly labeled, it's accessible to everyone. That creates that shared reference point that makes individual goal alignment possible. When someone can open the team's SharePoint and see the department's 3 priorities for the year, they have what they need to connect their own goals to something meaningful. Without that visibility, alignment is impossible. And then there's Teams. That's where the goal conversation happens. A dedicated Teams channel for goal updates where the team can see each other's progress, ask questions, offer support, and celebrate milestones. That creates the social infrastructure around goal accountability that most organizations don't have. Goals aren't just individual commitments, they're team conversations. And Teams is built exactly for that kind of ongoing structured conversation.